In this video, we'll show you how to update the REALITi360 license agreement on your Monitor tablet. The license is managed exclusively on the Monitor tablet, so this update only needs to be performed on that device. This update is required if new modules or screens have been added to your license. Updating your license ensures all new features are activated and ready to use. Please note, the REALITi app must have an active internet connection for the update to complete. Open the REALITi app on your Monitor tablet. At the bottom of the REALITi menu screen, tap the build version number to open the license information window. The license information window displays all currently activated modules. Tap Request Update to activate any new modules or screens that have been added to your license agreement. Once the update is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Any newly added or updated modules will now be available for use. Thank you for using REALITi360.